performer here on Kababayan LA, this time all the way from Oxnard. Hello, Heidi Gallardo. Welcome to Kababayan LA.
Oh, thank you.
Kamusta ang mga kababayan natin sa Oxnard?
Okay naman sila. They're always there. Marami naman. Marami naman mga supporters na kababayan when it comes to shows and things like that. Okay naman sila.
And I know that there are a lot of events there. So what kind of events do they have? Katulad yung kanina, we interviewed some people that were raising funds to benefit Sandong Rehabilitation of Mindanao in the Philippines.
Meron din benefit show that's actually for the Philippine Center of Ventura County. That's going to be on Friday, which is tomorrow actually at 7. It's a comedy show and then singing and dancing.
So it's pretty much like LA.
Pretty
right?
much.
And I know, and I heard that every time there are shows in Oxnard, you're one of the people that really you do front act for these
the
bands and actors and actresses, right?
Yes.
Kamusta naman?
Okay naman.
Yeah. How long have you been singing?
I've been singing since I was 5. And
was that something that you just fell into as a hobby, or is it something that you're taking seriously, or do you have a vocal coach?
I don't have a vocal coach, but I do want to take it seriously.
What kind of songs do you sing? Is it all pop or?
It's all mixed. Country, ballad, love songs, Tagalog, hip hop, R&B. I mean, it just depends on the crowd.
And Heidi is going to sing for us later. Abangan niyo po yan. This song that you pre-recorded for us earlier, is it an original or?
It is an original song. It's written by Maria Johnson. She's based in San Diego. It was just a nice song, so I chose to sing her song.
So mas gusto mo ba parang ballad or?
I guess it just depends what you feel at the moment. And also there's another show Sunday, April 1st with, it's called Pangarap Tour with Angelina Quinto and Marcelito Pomoy. And that's going to be at Oxnard Performing Arts Center at 5 o'clock.
Ayan. Thank you so much, Heidi.
Thank you.
And here's a sample. You're going to be opening for them as well, right?
Yes,
so
that's
Break
correct.
a Leg on Sunday.
Yes.
And that's in Oxnard. Para sa mga kababayan natin na nasa Oxnard, catch Heidi there with Angeline and what's the name?
Marcelito Pomoy.
Marcelito Pomoy. This has been Janelle Sawyer, kababayan in Los Angeles. Thank you for joining us. If you're just joining us now, marami na po kayong na-miss. But don't worry, we are always on sa internet 24/7. Follow me on Twitter, like us on Facebook. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, youtube.com/kababayanla18. All that information on the screen right now. Also would like to thank a lot of our sponsors that continue to help us here on the show. And as I promised earlier, the song from Heidi. I'll leave you with this one. Thank you for joining us. Have a great evening, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Many sleepless nights I've been thinking of the things that came to my life. All the love I've given much to someone dearest to my heart. Oh, my life is always you in my mind. Oh, my life, you'll always be in my heart. I prayed so hard for you to stay. Here I am, alone with a broken heart. Babe, I feel that you're gonna give me more